Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Kuldeep here, and today we are going to learn about the difference between driver.close and driver.quit methods in Selenium WebDriver. Okay, so first let's try to understand that why there is need of these methods at all. So let's say that if you are executing the test cases and as a part of that you are launching the browsers, but you are not closing those browsers. So what will happen? It will start consuming the network bandwidth as well as your system resources, which will eventually make your system slow. So it is necessary that once we are done with our testing, we need to close the browsers as a part of our standard testing practice. Okay. So now let's quickly move to the practical part. So let me create a class, close and quit. Select this public static void main method from here. Let me create an instance of Chrome driver. So I will write the web driver equals to new Chrome driver, and let's import the correct package for both. Okay, let's launch the gmail.com. Okay, so first let's perform driver.close and driver.quit on this URL itself. So driver.close, if you mouse over here, then you can see close method is actually close the current window, quitting the browser if it is the last window currently open. Okay, put some bits, so I will write the thread dot sleep. Okay, let's keep it of 2 seconds here. Okay, and run this program. Here you have seen that it has launched the Chrome browser and opened the gmail.com, and after that it has closed the browser. Okay, now let's perform the driver.quit here. So let me comment this one and driver.quit. So what is this quit all about? Quit says that quit this driver, close every associated window. So when you are using the quit method, actually it will close all the browser windows that are associated with that particular browser instance. As we have just opened the single browser here, so it will not make any difference here. Okay, so what it will do, actually it will close this out. So we cannot see any difference here. Okay, let's have another use case where we will have one window and one tab. This is our URL. Let's say that if we click on this help link, so what actually happens, a new tab is opened. Okay, so let's perform this operation with help of our script. We comment this one. Okay, and we will write the driver dot find element y dot link text. What is our link text? It is help. Just click on it. Let's execute this one. After that we will perform the close and quit operations. Okay, so here we can see like it has launched Gmail, and after that it clicked on the help button, so that this Google account help page is opened in new tab. So now let's do one thing. First let's perform the driver.close. So I'm closing manually this as of now, and let's execute this. Okay, so it has launched the Chrome. Okay, so here we have seen that it has closed the Gmail main window. The reason is that actually the close method close the current window itself. So as the control was on current window itself, that's why it has closed the Gmail's main window. Okay, but it has not closed this tab. Okay, now let's try to perform the driver.quit, and now let's see what happens here. Close it, right click, and run a Java application. It has launched Gmail. So here we have seen like it has closed the main window as well as the tab which was opened after clicking on the help link on Gmail's main page. So friends, let's try one more use case here. Let's use this driver.quit before driver.close and see what happens here. Okay, I have put this driver.quit before driver.close, and let me execute my test case again. So if you notice here, we are getting one exception. That exception says exception in thread main org.openqa.selenium.no such session exception. Session ID is null using WebDriver after calling quit. So basically we are calling the quit method before close. So that's why this exception is coming. So as a part of this statement, actually it is closing all the windows. So there is no window on which we can work. That's why it is giving this exception. So we should avoid using the driver.quit when we need to perform more actions or the steps in our test cases. Okay. So I hope that you got a very clear idea like what is the difference between driver.close and driver.quit. That's it for today's video. I hope it is helpful. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.